Wow, what's up, what's up? This your boy, Ghost. You heard me? Big Rider, you heard me? I'm in this bitch, you heard me? Today is super sad. Yesterday was fucking Good Friday, tomorrow Easter Sunday. We got a big Ciroc party going down in White Castle, Club Metro. Tina and Ciola throwing a Ciroc party off of GP. I don't really know how it's going down, but all I know is a Ciroc party off of GP. You heard me? Get down at White Castle. It's gonna be going down tonight in the Club Metro. You heard me? I'm gonna be in that bitch chilling, full of that voodoo, cause I ain't drinking shit. You heard me? I'm just gonna be, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, at the same time, come through. I know you're dressed fresh, you know what I'm saying? You got your fits on for the day, you heard me? Come through, you know what I'm saying? Spend a little of these here, you heard me? Spend some of these. These ain't the same ones, because you know what I'm saying? I buy shit, you heard me? And I'm going to show you what it is. Hold on, let me get the camera right. Let me get that. Yow! Swole head, you heard me? That's all I'm rocking. Come through, spend some of these here in Club Metro, you know what I'm saying? Come through on baller status, you heard me? I ain't gonna be spending nothing, you heard me? I'm a tight ass nigga. Fuck it. But anyway, come through cutting up, come through in your whips. It's gonna be like something like an old block party, you heard me? Because it's a strip, you heard me? Come through on the strip, swerving and acting. I wish I had some motherfucking Wi-Fi down there so I could have this fucking YouTube, Facebook going hard up in that bitch, you heard me? But at the same time, come through tonight, Club Metro, big Ciroc party. I got my t-shirt on, you know what I'm saying? And I'm Ciroc'd out. And I ain't drinking shit, you hear me? Holla at your boy. Softball game going down right now in White Castle. Go through there, you know what I'm saying? Acting, swerving, whatever. Fuck the laws, you heard me? Fuck the popos. That's how I feel. Come through White Castle right now. You're going to catch the softball game going down for She's and my knees. Then later on the night, come through again. Go to Club Metro. You're going to be going down big Ciroc party, you heard me? And shit. After that, I don't give a fuck what you do. You carry your ass home or you go wherever you going. Ain't my problem. Get it out the mud.